Hi, let me show you how to turn off Siri on iPhone. For that, go ahead and open Settings. And now just scroll through the list till you can see section Siri. So from here, go in Talk to Siri feature. And now to completely disable Siri, we need to here select Off. And then toggle off the switch for pressing side button. And now you will see this suggestion to turn off Siri. So tap here, go back, like that. And you will see that feature allow Siri when locked is also turned off right now. And now when you will try to press side button, you will see this suggestion to turn on Siri where you can click Not Now. And after that, Siri won't be working. You can also try to say trigger phrase, "Hey Siri." And as you can see, nothing happens. Let's try this out on lock screen. "Hey Siri." And nothing happens as well. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.